Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Install dependencies for Ruby on Rails with the following command. Once installation is complete, check the Ruby and Node.js version with the next command. Run the following command to set up Yarn as Node.js package manager. Lastly, check the PostgreSQL server status with the following command. Now we need to create a user. Login into PostgreSQL shell and use the following commands to create the user. Once user is created, log into PostgreSQL with this user to check if everything is going correctly. Now, let's create a directory and add the gem home environment with the next command. Run the following command to reload your current shell and check the gem home environment variable. Run the gem command below to install the bundler to your system. After that, install Ruby on Rails with the following command. When the installation is finished, check the Ruby on Rails version with the next command. Run the next command to create a new Rails project. Now move to the test app directory and edit the database configuration. Change the database details for the development, test and production environment, like the following. Run the following Rails command to set up and migrate the database. After the database migration is complete, run your Rails project with the following command. Now go into your web browser and use your IP address with the following port. You should see the following. That's it. Now you can start work with Ruby on Rails. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.